everyone. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Jace's Own World. I really appreciate it. Today I got a good one for you. Today I am going to apply some new decals to my front and rear emblems on my MK7 GTI, as well as some decals on some of the different badging that's on the GTI, including the steering wheel and the side fender GTI badges. So I hope you're going to enjoy this as much as I do, but before we start, please like this video. That would really help with the algorithm in this video and on my channel. Please subscribe if you like the content, and also hit that notification bell here, and that would be awesome. Also, this video is sponsored by Crush Grapefruit. Just kidding. Just kidding, just kidding. It's not sponsored by anybody. I just really like this drink because I found it in the store the other day. It's like one of my favorite drinks now. If you haven't tried it, go try it. Crushed Grapefruit. It's pretty awesome. Well, let's get right back to the video. Okay, for the actual vinyl stickers that I'm going to be putting on the emblems, I decided to go with 3 different companies. I went with Badgeskins, which is here. I went with Klii Motorwerks, which is here, and then Vinyl Mod, which is here. And the reason why I decided to go with the 3 different companies are for a couple reasons. Number one, Badgeskins, they had everything available, but they were kind of pricey compared to the other competition, the Klii Motorwerks and the Vinyl Mod. And I didn't really feel like spending over $100 for just like stickers on emblems and stuff like that. So I searched around YouTube and saw some videos from Last Human's Garage. Shout out to you, I love your channel. And some other just random videos on YouTube. And then I found Vinyl Mod and Klii Motorwerks. And I went on their websites and saw what I needed. And they were a little cheaper than Badgeskins, so I decided to purchase from them too. Okay, so here it is, all the vinyl stickers and everything that I ordered from these 3 companies. Let's start with the left. This one's from Badgeskins, and that is the black gloss front emblem, I guess, decal. And it comes with a wipe here. It comes in 2 pieces for the decal. And moving on to Klii Motorwerks, I decided to get the underlay, which is the German flag colors. It comes with the instructions here on how to install it for both of them. This is the front, this is the rear because it's a little smaller. And then they give you their own Klii Motorwerks sticker here, which is pretty cool. And then moving on to Vinyl Mods, and I got this one right here. This is the rear gloss black emblem decal. Moving on down here, I got the front and the rear GTI badge decal in red. And then over here, this GTI badging is going to be for the front fenders on the left and the right of the vehicle. This GTI decal, I got it in red, and that's going to be for the steering wheel GTI emblem. And then these guys hooked it up. Vinyl Mod, they give you 6 of their alcohol wipes, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so I got the underbellies of the badges themselves here. They just kind of clip on like this when you're done, and they just fall out like that. But these underlays are going to be basically laid on like so that you have that look underneath the German flag. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean each one of these with your little alcohol wipe here. Alright, so I got the front and the rear GTI emblems in red. I do understand that my GTI is a base S model and that it does not come with red GTI badges. And I understand that fully, but I just wanted to match everything with the red. I just like the red. I'm not trying to be a performance pack or anything like that for all you performance pack guys out there. I'm not trying to imitate anyone. I just wanted to, you know, change the color up. But off camera, I decided to clean all the other emblems that I'm going to be doing with the alcohol white, so I didn't have to do that on camera. And I'm just going to show you right now. Focus for me. There we go. The red GTI, and it's going to go on the bottom of the steering wheel here. So I've had this car for almost 4 years now, and I still have this little piece right here, which is pretty cool because I've wanted to keep it there. But I still have this little piece right here that covers the GTI emblem so that the dirt and stuff doesn't get inside it. And I kept that piece on there intentionally this whole time, but I'm going to take it off now for the very first time like it's a brand new car, and look at that. Pretty cool. So there's that. I need to clean it with the alcohol wipe. Alright, so final thoughts. I enjoyed and liked every single company, Badgeskins, Vinyl Mods, and Klii Motorwerks. The Badgeskins adhered better, but it didn't fit as nice as the Vinyl Mods. But the Vinyl Mods fit better, but didn't adhere to the surface as well. So, pluses and minuses. Everything else with Vinyl Mods was completely easy and lined up perfectly with all the little GTI badges on the sides of the car and on the front and the rear of the car, and also on the steering wheel. Those lined up perfectly. Love them. Love the look. 100% A+ with those. As far as Klii Motorwerks is concerned with the backing, it works 100%. So I can't knock their product. It looks great. The only thing that I wish it had is an alignment with the backing of the emblem itself, because when it's not aligned correctly, it's crooked like mine is, and that's 100% my fault, so I can't bash their product on that. But that's just something that I would recommend if they thought about that in the future, just so for those of us who actually purchase the multicolored products instead of just the straight color. But overall, everything looks way better in stock, in my opinion, so I can't knock anything. And it was a relatively easy process, and I really enjoyed it. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. And I'll check you out on the next video that I'm planning to make. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later. Peace!